Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Thought I'd do a little unboxing video. I bought a little LED grow light for my plants that I'm growing indoors this winter. Thought I'd do a little unboxing. I did a search on YouTube and couldn't find a similar product, so I thought I would throw one out here. Anyway, this is replacing a 100-watt CFL that I currently use for my grow light, and after seeing some good reviews on these multicolored LED bulbs, thought I'd give it a shot. This is a 50-watt grow light, of course made in China. I think this ran me, there were several of them out there on Amazon. I think this one was around $18. Some of them went up to almost $40. So let's take it out of the box and see what we have here. You'll see what I see. First thing you notice is I'm struggling getting it out of the box. Good grief, there we go. Alright, so everything's packaged and wrapped tightly. I see what's going on here. There's an end cap that was stuck in there. Alright, so here's the bulb. There it is right there. Plenty of aluminum ventilation. That's interesting. And, wow, not much to it. Alright, let's plug it in and see what it looks like. One thing I do notice is it is much heavier than that CFL. Alright, let's turn it on. Here goes nothing. Wow, is that bright. Let me turn off this other light. That is a bright bulb right there. Oh boy. Alright, well, there we go, folks. 50-watt LED unboxing. Nice and quick for you. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video in the near future and give you a review of how it's working. All right. Thanks for watching.